Hello, young artists. Get ready for an exciting drawing adventure as we learn how to draw an amazing airplane. Are you ready to soar high in the sky? That's the spirit. Let's grab our pencils and get ready to create a fantastic artwork. Remember, in the world of art, imagination has no limits. Alright, let's start by drawing the main shape of our airplane. It's going to be sleek and ready for takeoff. Are you excited?
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Fantastic. Our airplane is really starting to come to life. Now, let's add some color to make it even more exciting. Now, let's grab our paintbrushes and get ready to bring our airplane to life. Feel free to use your imagination and paint the airplane with your favorite colors.
Washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Amazing work, everyone. Our airplane looks absolutely fantastic. Give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you for joining me on this adventurous drawing journey. I hope you had a blast creating your own airplanes. Remember, let your imagination soar high and keep exploring the wonderful world of art.